as a part of our daily practice, as a part of a daily routine, one important step which is being taught or which is being practiced with us is the 6R technique, which is recognize, release, relax, re-smile, return to your own meditation. And if in case you again hindered by your thoughts, which generally happens with everybody as a part of meditation, that's where we stop, but we repeat our own process. So this is how the 6R process happens. You have to recognize that there are hindrances in your meditation process. बैठते ही आप अज्ञानवास में नहीं जाने वाले हो, तो बैठते ही आपको चिंता होगी, हाँ? कुछ ना कुछ हिंड्रेंस होगा, आपको ये याद आएगा, वो याद आएगा, कुछ ना कुछ याद आएगा. ये ही चीज़ है जो आपको मेडिटेशन में सीखना है कि वो आपके दिमागी तौर में चलते रहता है. समथिंग इज़ बीइंग कुक्ड इन योर किचन एवरी मोमेंट. हाउ विल यू calm your kitchen? By being fasting maybe, or by eating a little, by keeping yourself in a small routine diet. That's how your mind is here working. You here are here welcoming your 10-day environment, which is conducive for an thought process to be refined. Then you train your mind by 6R process, that you recognizing that something is distracting in my mind. Then you have to release that thought. It's okay, I am doing meditation and my thought is coming, let it do its job, let me do my job. Thank you for being here, right? Then once you released it, you re-smile, then you have to return, and before returning you have to ensure that you are relaxing, because it's always hurtful when you let somebody somewhere, right? So you have to relax yourself also. It's okay, उनका रोज़ का काम वही है, मेरा आज का काम मेडिटेशन करना है. तो you have to relax, re-smile and repeat the same process. This process once keeps on repeating, you make yourself better every day, and this is a best opportunity one can take home, and this best learning which one can take home. You can do this with each and everything. Somebody is asking you something, you should not interested, 6R. Some thought is popping up, 6R. I'm angry at somebody, 6R. Everything is 6R. At least that's a lifestyle which you can generate from out of it, and that's a lifestyle which Metta Vipassana is bringing forward. Thank you.